Bianx?
Isang kamay na lang tapos parang hindi na balanse yung gumagalaw na masyado yung mga bloke. Doon po talaga ako nahihirapan, kuya.
Yan, adjust ka. I'll stay here.
Yan.
Okay.
Perfect?
Perfect. Taas ako konti. Yung kanina, tumataas ka. Tumataas ka.
Hop. Hindi, okay na yun.
Okay.
Hindi, kailangan pantay na tayo.
Okay.
Everything that we worked hard for may have fallen apart in that moment. So I was really nervous.
Okay, pantay na tayo. Power na lang talaga to. Okay? Force na lang talaga to. Use your biceps, okay? Okay, it's okay.
Dusby, out.
It's okay. We did our best. It's okay.
Ganun na rin siya kasakit, kuya, kasi alam namin na hindi kami sumuko, humingi namin best namin.
Kunin natin last, okay? Kunin natin last.
We really didn't expect it to fall that quickly. It felt like my world fell apart. Alam niyo po, kuya, yung feeling na ang tagal-tagal po namin nakatayo doon, ang tagal-tagal po namin pinaghihirapan yun, ilang oras po namin tinitiis yung sakit, and yet it fell apart just like that in one snap of a finger. Sobrang sakit, kuya. Parang I just felt my heart sink to the floor.
Kung tanggal na sa laban ang Dustby, ang Asver naman.
Help us, God. Let us be for us. Let us be for us, my God. Please guide us and bless us.
The blocks of Dustby go down, sabi ko, hindi na rin kaya nung Breka. Kasi kita ko rin, kuya, sa kanila na medyo unstable na rin yung mga blocks nila.
Maganda yung AJ, parang nakatabing eh.
Teka lang.
Magalaw ka masyado, Mix. Oh, magalaw ka masyado. Not too much.
Okay yan.
Relax. Matabingin ka, Mix.
You're pushing me too hard.
Okay.
Kasi tabingin na siya dito. It's okay.
We're almost there. Konti na lang. We just have to keep pushing na lang and just wait for their blocks to fall.
Ayan. Stay lang.
Hirap na kaming i-rearrange talaga. Alam mo, ang daming dumatakbo sa isip ko talaga nung time na yun, kuya. Pero nangingibabaw talaga yung guilt ko para sa kadugo ko po, kuya.
Goodness, wala na. Tanggal kami. Tapos yung time na yun, kuya, parang ang dami ko pang lakas. Parang kaya ko pa siguro 2 oras. Yung ganun yung pakiramdam ko.
Asver.
Thank you, Lord!
Congratulations.
Thank you, Lord!
Kayo ang nagwagi sa Big Jump Challenge.
I was super relieved. It was